Ti pẹ́ tí mo ti ń gbá ẹ lágbo. Far away but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve a braid out using the Keracare new Curl Essence product line, and I'm super hype about this line because it infuses two important and very significant hair promoting growth agents, which are Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. And if you've been natural for a bit, you know those products are rocking. They are very good for thickening your hair as well as creating shine, manageability, and this Cowash, y'all, was so awesome. It felt very pleasant on my scalp, lathered very well, and my hair was not stripped. It was left very shiny, and I only had to use this product, so you know it is popping. So after cleansing my hair with this sulfate-free Cowash, I just merely rinsed my hair and then proceeded to use a microfiber towel, and I love these because they help to reduce frizz, and y'all are gonna see my hair looks so good. This is probably the best that it's looked after actually washing it, especially after not having deep condition, which I generally do after every wash, but I did not do this time. And I'm ready to style already. This is like the fastest wash day period. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using two products from the Curl Essence line, the Moisturizing Curling Cream and the Moisturizing Curling Jelly. And both of these are going to serve individual purposes. What I love about the Moisturizing Curling Cream is that it has a light fragrance and it is very thick, which is perfect for a kinkier texture like mine. I have type 4 hair, 4B, 4C to be specific. And y'all, it was so great for detangling my hair. I love working in sections when I go about this process, so I'm doing that. And then I'm going to work in small to medium sections in order to apply the product. This product alone gave me a great deal of definition. It also helped to further enhance the softness of my hair, and I did not have to apply too much of this product, so that was a great feature. So I'm just raking it through, and then I'm going to layer it with the jelly, which is going to create hold and also help to reduce frizz when I do my braid out. So after applying this product, I'm going to begin to make 3 sections and begin braiding. Now I'm going to braid all the way down until I get down to maybe an inch or 2, and then I'm going to begin twisting. I always do my braid outs in this manner so that I'll have a bit of a curl on the ends of my hair. I don't really care for the braiding all the way down to the ends because it does give me a crinkling effect that I don't prefer. So I smoothed out the ends, add more of the curling jelly, and I focus that on the ends to make sure that I have a great deal of hold. Once you're finished, this is what your braid should look like, very moisturized and ready for a bomb braid out. So I'm just going to continue to make small sections, apply the curling cream first, and I'm going to go from root to end, and I'm going to focus the curling jelly on my ends to create hold, to reduce frizz. I'm going to do this all over my head, and then I'll come back on.
Wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. What you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand.
Alright ladies, we're finished braiding. I completed about 15 to 20 braids all over my head. I'm going to allow these to air dry overnight. If you'd like to, you can bobby pin your hair down just to stretch it, but I didn't decide to do that because I wanted to make sure that my tapered cut was still intact. So I just put a scarf on overnight, and this is such a cute scarf. I got it from H&M, and I'm really hyped. So we're going to take this off, and begin unraveling the braids carefully. As you can see, my hair is still very moisturized and shiny, and my hair actually did not shrink as much as I thought it would from the products. It did a very good job. So I'm just gonna pin it back using a crocodile clip and then take one braid down at a time. I'm starting at the ends, and remember that we twisted the ends, so you wanna unravel in the opposite direction. Separate really carefully because you do not want your hair to be a big frizz ball. And then after you've done that, you can just pull and tug on the ends and your braid should come apart. So now we're going to the next one. I'm gonna do the same process, unraveling at the bottom and then tugging on the ends to release the braid. After I've completed this process, I am gonna begin picking my hair just to create volume, but you do not have to do that. But I like big hair, so we're just gonna go for it.
I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you. I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you. I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah. And see what this love can do. It's just gonna be us two. Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can.
After picking your hair, you can stop here, but I decided to tame my edges a bit. I'm going to be using the Curl Essence Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Coconut Oil Edge Tamer, and this is what I used in my previous video. If you guys have not seen that video, you need to check it out. I love this edge tamer. It did a very good job of creating a sleek look without the residue. Sometimes you can get white residue when you use edge tamers, but this one worked very well. I simply applied the edge control to my edges and then followed it up with my edge brush, and this really helped to create a sleek look. And y'all know I had to do little baby hair, just a little bit, and then we're gonna be finished with this look. So these are the final results, guys. We have definition and moisture without the crunch, which is so great. I love this Keracare Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Coconut line. You all be sure to check it out. The links will be provided in the description box. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to go and check out my previous natural hair tutorial. I will see you all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Bye, guys.
Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya.